welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to add text to your TikTok video in 2022. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video was helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So since TikTok have updated their editing studio, there is a new way of adding text to your TikTok videos. So let me show you how to add text to your TikTok videos. After you've recorded or uploaded your video, you will come to this screen. On this screen, tap on Adjust Clip, the top right. This will take you to TikTok's new editing studio. At the bottom, you will see the timeline, and below that, you'll see some more buttons. Here, tap on Text, which is the fourth button from the left. Then tap on Add Text at the bottom. Now type in your text. You can customize your text as per your choice. Once you've typed in your text and customized it, it will then be added to your timeline. Now, using the preview window, you can move the text wherever you like and change the size as per your wish. Next, using the timeline, you can change the duration of the text. This can be done by moving the left or the right edge of the text object in the timeline. To change the position of the text, hold and press the text object in the timeline and then move it wherever you like on the timeline. To add more text, tap on Add Text from the bottom. Again, repeat the same steps to change the duration of the text and to change the position of the text. Press Save once complete. And that is how to add text to your TikTok videos. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.